Hello and welcome. Little bit of a different one again this week. Something a bit different. I don't know if you can see the box down there. We've got a new TV. Thought we'd treat ourselves. Yes, I like watching TV. I really do. I don't really watch a lot of sort of mainstream TV, the kids and all that do, and Lydia. But you know what? I've had this TV now, which is on the wall for 10 years. It's done me extremely well. And the sound bar, but I thought, you know what? I keep seeing this, because I'm with Sky, I keep seeing this thing. I thought, you know what? Lots of people have been slagging it off. There's only one way to find out whether it's any good or not. Sky Glass. So I've gone for a Sky Glass TV. It doesn't add much more to my monthly bill. I've gone up a 10-inch size. I've gone up, 15 inches bigger. So I've got a 50-inch TV at the moment. This is 65-inch. And yeah, the kids can maybe enjoy their gaming, because I don't do games. And so come with me as we unbox it. Which could be fun. Let's hope it's not broke. And then I've got to try and hang it, because it looks fucking heavy. Excuse the mess in the background as well. And sorry about that. Hello and welcome. Little bit of a different one again this week. Something a bit different. I don't know if you can see the box down there. We've got a new TV. Thought we'd treat ourselves. Yes, I like watching TV. I really do. I don't really watch a lot of sort of mainstream TV, the kids and all that do, and Lydia. But you know what? I've had this TV now, which is on the wall for 10 years. It's done me extremely well. And the sound bar, but I thought, you know what? I keep seeing this, because I'm with Sky, I keep seeing this thing. I thought, you know what? Lots of people have been slagging it off. There's only one way to find out whether it's any good or not. Sky Glass. So I've gone for a Sky Glass TV. It doesn't add much more to my monthly bill. I've gone up a 10-inch size. I've gone up, 15 inches bigger. So I've got a 50-inch TV at the moment. This is 65-inch. And yeah, the kids can maybe enjoy their gaming, because I don't do games. And so come with me as we unbox it. Which could be fun. Let's hope it's not broke. And then I've got to try and hang it, because it looks fucking heavy. Excuse the mess in the background as well. And sorry about that. Let's get going. So what do we have? We've got the 65-inch TV in black. Could be fun mounting that up there. We have got the stand, again in black, and the puck, or the streaming box, which I gather goes in one of the bedrooms, so you can watch it in another room. So we'll chuck that in one of our bedrooms, either in our bedroom or in Crystal's bedroom. And yes, stand, but I'm going to try and mount it to the wall, but I'm going to put it on the stand for now. But first of all, we need to unpack it all. So let's get cracking with this lot. I've already undone those two. I was tried doing this by hand, but it hurt my poor little pinky, so I've got a big sharp knife out. So there's a stand. Oh, I'll take it. That's the wall mount bracket as well, then I'll take it. So, let's do this, shall we? So let's do this. The stand on its own, bloody heavy. Right. So this looks like the back plate. Obviously, that's the thing that stands up. Let's put that there. Hopefully the TV don't fall over. That'll be the backing plate. Let's pop that out there. That's bloody heavy chuffy now. plastic cover, I suppose, for the black back plate. Don't know where the instructions are though. I've got to keep an eye out for Lydia as well, as Lydia's coming home in the shopping. Right, so I suppose that will go onto there. Got the dog. Ha ha! Spin it around. Just freak the dog out a bit. Right, so flip this over. Suppose these will be the pucks that go onto the wall. So I'm going to set it all up as much as I can on the stand maybe for now. So I'll take it that bolts onto the TV or right, Allen key plate. So there's some countersunk ones there. They're countersunk. So I'll take it, they're going to go. Those ones will go through there. I like that though, that the cable goes through there. By the looks of it, maybe. So take it, that bit's going to go at the front. Chuck some screws in there for now. There we go. So it looks like that goes there. One, two. Let's get these pinched up. Then I'll put the other two in. Oh. So if my calculations are correct, this TV should fill the gap between the two light switches. Also, I don't want it overhanging the light switches because that's just going to be daft. Yes, I've wanted a big TV for a long time, just for the viewing experience. So when we do eventually get to sit down and watch a film as a family, we can enjoy it. I've heard the sound quality from these is quite good. I've already got quite good sound quality with my sound bar. But as said, I've had my TV now and my soundbar for about 10 years. And I thought it was about time I had a change. I've been looking for about a year. As said, I think it's about £2 a month more than my current bill. But I do enjoy a bit of YouTube. The kids enjoy their Disney Plus, and as does Lydia. Indy's at the age where she's skittering between Toy Story and Wallace and Gromit and the Snowman and the Grinch. So I thought, you know what, the kids will like watching their Saturday night TV as well. So I'll see if I can get this set up for tonight. They like watching the dance programs and singing programs. What is it at the moment? I think what it is at the moment. The Masked Singer, is it? I normally get bored, but it's family time. So if we can have a bit of family time in front of a bigger TV, let's enjoy it whilst we can. So we don't always get to be together, obviously, because of work and school and daily activities. So 4 Allen bolts on the bottom by the looks of it. You've got some pucks there which I'm kind of gathering will go on there or on the wall somehow or another. Yeah. So that's a stand. As I said, not keen on this bloody. Might have to go and sort out the washing machine in a minute as well because it's beeping. Make sure my microphone's still there. 1 Allen key, 2, 3, 4. So it looks like it sits flat on there because there's 2 little rubber pads on there. Yeah, let's unbox it. Already undone it. Had a quick peek inside. You ready, Finn? Are you ready, Finn? Are you ready, Indy? You ready? Let's hope it don't fall out the box. Da da da! New teddy! Might lean it back a bit first though, so it doesn't fall flat on its face and then bloody break. So I'll be upset. It does sound the box here, how to do it. Let's have a look. Right, we've got that flat anyway. Don't stand on it. I'll be upset. Da, da, da. Now the camera probably won't see it now, will it? Is that camera just looking at a brown box, yeah? Yeah. Oh no! So there we go. It's on the floor, so it don't fall over. I've had to move the camera, obviously, as you just saw. You made it. Okay. Well done. Thank you very much. Ooh. Why? Hide. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Right. Ooh. Excited? I've got a template there, look at that. So if you're wondering about the instructions for the stand, I did find them in the box. They're printed on the box, because I was a bit of an idiot. Right, so let's have a look at this, shall we? Daddy fits in. So I've got the TV not up yet, but I'm just about to put it on the wall. Just thought I'd show everyone. If you can just make those out, I don't know, zoom on my camera isn't great. Let's try that, that's maybe a bit better. So these are the attachments, HDMIs and all that. And yeah, let's try and get this on the wall. This could be fun. So it's up. Thank you very much, Lydia, for your help. Even though Lydia's diamond man flew. And yeah, doesn't look too bad. Quite like it. Let's wire it all up and do a first switch on. So here we go, first plug in. Nothing's gone bang. See a little light at the bottom. And there we go. Happy days. It's probably going to take a little while to set up. But yeah, whilst that's doing that, I'm going to get everything plugged back in and tidied up. And we'll have a quick little look at it. See if it's any good. Oh, oh, blimey. Oh, that sounds good. Oh, bloody hell. Okay. All right, I'm going to set this up. See you in a bit. Safe to say, the kids are impressed. And Indy's watching Back to the Future. It's Back to the Future. Do you like it? Da, da, da. So there we go. All done. It's been a few days since we've had it. And yeah. It's not too bad. The only problems I can see with it happening is obviously it's not on a dish. It's on internet only, so should the internet ever go down, we'll have no TV, but I'm fine with that. So we've got our phones still. And you can't record on it as such. So all our recordings we had on our Sky Q box, we've lost all those. We've still got the Sky Q box there, but we've lost the use of that. So I don't want to have to take out another Sky contract just so we can save the recordings. Bit of an arse because I've got some films on there that I bought. So I think Sky, you need to sort something out with that. But otherwise, picture quality. Let me flip you around. Otherwise, picture quality and sound quality is phenomenal. It's absolutely amazing. I love the picture quality. Obviously, it's got loads of little perks so you can change all the stuff down there very quick. We got it on Vivid. Could have it Vivid Extra, but I think that's a bit too bright. Actually hurts my eyes. But yeah, it's actually really, really bloody good. And sound quality, as said, is phenomenal. It sounds just like being in the cinema. So anyway, that concludes this video. Remember, if you're liking our videos, please like, share and subscribe. It doesn't cost nothing. And this has got to be worth it. The hassle that went through for this. But I'm happy. Got a big TV, 65 inch. Happy days. So anyway, I'll see you next week. Might have another Bandit video ready for you. Let's go for now. Adios amigos. Buenos noches. Please like, share and subscribe. Goodbye.